Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. I'd like to introduce our guest presenter for today, Randy Fairfield. If you've met Randy, it would be through the Hāpara Champion Educator Program. Randy has some great tips for us today about Teacher Dashboard. Take it away, Randy.
It's Randy here, and I wanted to share with you how you can quickly find a file of your students that's in their folders, and then use some keyboard shortcuts to quickly open those files up to give them feedback. So let's get started. So let's say you're looking for this poetry exam. I can see that here for these students, but you have to scroll down here a bit for this one. And let's say I just want them to show up and have that be the only thing and not have to be digging for it. You might have 30 students. I only have, say, 4 in this one. Well, I'd come in here and type in the word poetry and hit enter. And now just that file is going to show up. I can then hold down the control button on the keyboard and then click, 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 click. And notice how these are each opening up in a new tab. Now it takes some time for these files to load, just a little bit, but every little bit of time counts. And as you're going through and doing the grading, say for this first file, you can then push Control Tab to cycle through and open up the files of your other students. So this can save you some time with the file loading. It can also be nice because oftentimes the feedback you're leaving can be similar, and so you can cycle through these and quickly give feedback. Another one to go back and forth, if you hold down Control Shift and Tab, it will go backwards, and then Control Tab brings you forwards. All right, I hope those keyboard shortcuts and that search feature will save you some time and help you be more effective as you leave feedback for your students. All right, have a great day.